Hello friends, today we are going to talk about a data collection, data entry form, automatic data entry form. Yes, why to create automatic data entry Excel form while you can create one nice beautiful mobile app or a page you can create. Let me show you how you can do that. Just go to your Google search and type Glide app. Go to Glide app. Okay, so you have a different pricing plan, but choose for individual and this one free. Click on start free. I have already logged it, so it will show my login screen. You can register and you can log in. Alright, so there are a lot of templates, beautiful, nice, useful template available like quiz application. You can create a course application where you can deliver your lectures or course, video course, attendance tracker. Today we are going to demonstrate a data entry form using a Glide app. So let me click on new project. Let me give it a name of student data entry. What you want to choose, whether you want a app or a Glide page. So I want it as app, mobile app. Okay, so you have 4 Excel, Airtable, Google spreadsheet or Glide tables. If you are choosing Glide tables, then your app will be very fast, which compared to your Google spreadsheet. But for this demonstration, I am using Google spreadsheet. Let us begin. Click on continue. Okay, so it will ask me to select a spreadsheet that I want for this data. Okay, let's open one Google spreadsheet. Where we can create our data form. Okay, so what should it look like? So you should have a two tab on your Google Sheet. One sheet is for the data and another is for the choice. So what is in the data form or the form data sheet? That is your actual data entry variables where you want to take what you want to take in your automatic data entry form. First name, last name, age, gender, phone number, address, state, caste, the course the student has selected, its registration number, whether fees paid or not, this kind of thing. And these are the things where there will be a option, selecting option. So that option you can mention in the second sheet where I have mentioned the option like male, female, course, caste, state, whatever the choices you are going to provide, you can mention that here. So we have basically two sheet here. One is form data and another is a choice. This is the application login that is automatically generated. So you have to create this kind of first sheet and you can import it in a Glide sheet. So okay, so what is the name of student registration form? Alright, so student, select it and import. Alright, so this is the user interface from where you can customize your app. This is a setting from where you can customize your name, icon, appearance, how your app will appear, the mode you can select, the various theme you can change from this page. Here the font type you can change from here, how it will appear. You can change the access to private or public from here, whether it is your app or you want someone else also to log in. Then user authentication, you will get PIN on your email when you try to log in. So this is, and you can also allow sign in with Google. What is the message you want to display? So you can write that again, you can write that here. So this kind of thing is here on setting part. Alright, so this is our app layout and this is our data. So this is the same data we have imported from our Google spreadsheet. So form data and choice data. This is the choice and this is the form data. Alright, now how to customize this app. So this is the user interface. How if I want to delete it, I can do it from here. These are the tab. So I can hide it from here. This is the eye icon which is shown here. So click on that and this the unnecessary display which is there, you can hide it. So do I want to show user, I can show form data. So it's the form data. This is the icon from where you can add a new data. Alright, so this is your form is ready. The same form we have created in Google spreadsheet, that is ready, and you can do data entry from here, and you can save your data in this spreadsheet, and you can download it in a Excel or whatever format you want. And you can do a literally data entry from anywhere. Wherever you are, you can enter your data. You don't need your laptop to have with you, because most of the time we have our mobile handset in our hand with us, so we can do our data entry at any place, anywhere. So that is the biggest advantage, and it is free, and we have a nice mobile app. Alright, so now we can customize this data entry form. For example, so first name, age, number, gender we want that it should be in a choice form rather than this form, so that it should be like a drop down list or something, so we can select gender. Same way it is also for state, caste and course. And for the fees paid, we want a boolean. Boolean means where the answer is in the form of yes or no. So we want this kind of form, not this. So let us do that. Okay, so we have a age, gender. Here it is, gender. And we have to keep it as a required field, so that also we can change. Okay, so let me delete gender. Click on this. We have a picker, so we have a choice field. Okay, so we can rename it as a gender. Okay, right to gender, no default value. And source you have to select as a choice, and value are from a gender. Alright, and make it as a required field. Okay, so gender, now it should have a drop down list. See, male, female and other. So now it is having a drop down list, so I can select. Alright, so now so you can literally drag and drop to a place where you want. So I want it below age. Alright, so same thing I want to do it for the state. So first delete state from here. We don't need this. Click on choice, write it here, state. So this is the place where two things are available. One is tab, so here that you can create tab here, and another thing is the screen. So whatever appearing on this screen you can create from here, screen menu. And if you want to add a new tab, you can create that from here. You can click and add a new tab. So you can create a new tab from here, you can create a screen from here. So right now we have our form data, the data we have entered. These are showing a data that already there in the so we have already data in our Google sheet which are showing here. And I can enter a new data from here by adding, click on adding. And when you click on the data, the detailed form will be available. Detail of that particular person will appear here. You can customize your data types, whether it is a string, whether it is a number, or whether it is a boolean, that you can change from here. Just click on this. This is edit icon and you can change your data type, text, number, boolean, image, date and time, URL, whatever. So date of registration. So this is the thing. You can edit here and you can change this thing option. Who can edit this form and who cannot. That also you can change. So in this data entry form there is, so we forgot to enter a registration date, so we can enter it here, date of registration. Okay, so we have now date of registration. Yes, see, automatically it has asked that we have new column detected, so it has added it. So now we can change a date and select date format. Alright, so it will write to date. Okay, so you can customize date of registration, all date, enter default value. You can enter default value as a today. See, default value is today. It has taken 26th November. Okay, let me show you how you can add a new tab. Suppose I want to add a new tab. So this is my new tab. So I can label it as a, suppose I want to create a fees pending. So this is my tab where I want to see those students, segregate those students who has not paid fees yet. Alright, so this is a pending fees and this is from data sources. So to give condition or setting filter, you have to go to this detail views, not a list view. If you are in list view, you will not be able to do that. In detail view, go to detail view, go to option, and you can add condition or you can filter data. So I'm selecting filter data and I will be selecting, you have to apply the filter. So fees pending, what we can do, we have selected this field, fees pending, and we have selected is checked or is not checked. So we want to display when it is not checked, means it is not paid. Okay, again back to list. Okay, so there is no items here. Okay, again go back. Let me click on uncheck it and it will appear here. So you can customize your data and finally you can publish your form from here. Click on publish and you can give a name. Student app. And you can click on publish. Okay, so you can send invite through the email to your partner or to your colleague so that you can start entering data. You can open this app as in a browser or you can open it in your mobile. I will demonstrate how it will appear on your mobile. So this is same like the mobile screen. This is the way it will appear. So you can see it as a full screen, like as in case of your browser, or you can just have a that mobile screen view. You can even send this QR scan to install that app in that mobile. I will demonstrate that later. Okay, so we have nice mobile app. Alright, so we have created nice beautiful mobile application for our student data entry. Let us demonstrate it. So this is the welcome screen and it is asking me to enter my email address or sign in with Google. So I will click on sign in with Google. It will ask me to choose my account. Okay, so this is how it will appear, and I can enter data from here. Click on this icon and I can enter a new data. You can also do this for drop down, just like I have demonstrated. Course, let me see, state. For state it is taking something else. Data. Okay, where is state? Okay, state default value. Default value is, it should take state from data, not from data, it is from choice. That is why it is appearing like that. Okay, values is also from the state. Okay, image, we don't need image. Default value we want Gujarat. So you can see by default it is GJ, but you can change whatever you want, and it is today's date, and I will select fees paid as a. So this is the thing, because we have filled all the data. Now this icon has become active. Alright, so let me demonstrate how to customize this form. So you can this is the tab screen, and this is a this is a tab view, and this is a screen for that particular tab. So we are currently in a this data entry, the data tab, where all of our data is visible. So this is a data tab, and this is a fees pending tab, and this is a student tab, where the number of student who has registered is visible. Alright, so you can add a tab from here. Click on the plus icon and you can add a new tab, and you can customize it what you want to show here. So suppose you have some another data entry sheet here, you can show it here. Just you have to change that option from here. That sheet you have to change it from here. Currently I am showing the form data. Okay, so this is a new tab. Okay, so if I want to customize this new tab, I am not able to do it. Why? Because we are in a list style. So when you want to customize it, and when you want to add a new fields, you have to select a detail. So when you select detail style, so it is only then you can customize your tab. So in list tiles, tile view, calendar view is not applicable, checklist also not applicable, card, swipe, detail. So in detail view only you can customize it. You can add a new field. You can customize the pattern, the way it is appearing on your screen. You can change the name from here. You can add title separator. Goes. So we have a drop down course menu. So this menu, for this option, you can change it from here the way it is appearing. So this is the tab, and with the alt tab there is a related screen. If you want to delete it, just go to that particular tab and you can delete it. You can right click and delete it. So currently we have 3 tabs here. Okay, form data, and when you want to hide it, you can hide it by clicking this icon. Screen title you can write here. Student details, that you can write from here. In edit form you can check or uncheck who can edit this form, so that is also you can customize. So this is the tab, and you can select source from here, source of data, from where data is coming or where you are writing your data. You can label it here, form data. So this is the data entry form, and this is the data, and from here you can download it as a Excel format. So wherever you are, whenever you can enter your data and you can work from anywhere or any place. So this is it about, guys. If you want a detailed video from scratch how to customize this form, how to create a new app, then write down in the comment. We can create a detailed video regarding this. Thank you. See you in the next video.